So hello, today I'm going to change the door from one side, from this side, and I would like to open this from this side. What we have to do is just very simple process. We have to take this plastic thing out. This one, and similarly at the bottom, and then these two ones. When these are replaced, when these are taken out, simply this hinge here has to come on this side, and similarly on the bottom. Yeah, here. And then we can just place this hinge here on the bottom side too, and then we just place this thing back here, and then we are done. So the easiest way is to remove this covering is just slide it out, and similarly on the bottom side. Yeah, here, this was here, so slide it in, and then you have access to the screws. Yeah.